Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to connect your TikTok account to your Facebook profile. Let's get started. First things first. Open up your TikTok app on your mobile. Once you are in, click on the profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, you'll need to copy your TikTok username to the clipboard. You can do this by simply tapping on your username. It should give you a prompt saying username copied. Now, you can go ahead and close the TikTok app. Next, open up your Facebook app on your mobile. Once you are in, now, navigate to your profile. Once you're on your profile, now, click on the Edit Profile button which is located near the profile picture. After that, a new window will appear. Now, scroll down until you find the Links section. When you got it, now, hit Add or Edit button next to Links. When you click on it, a new window will appear. Now, tap on Add Social Link, and then choose the platform. In the list, click on the TikTok. When you select it, it's time to paste your username. In the provided field, paste your TikTok username that we copied earlier. After that, simply click on the Done. Now, you can see, my TikTok account is added on my Facebook profile. For saving, click on the Save. And there you have it. You've successfully added your TikTok profile link to your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.